And so for the second reaction, I have some hydrochloric acid in this test tube. So what I'm going to add to it are these pieces of magnesium metal. And adding these pieces of magnesium metal, the HCl was a clear, colorless solution. The magnesium metal had a nice silver color. Adding the magnesium metal to the hydrochloric acid, note what you see. Also, when I touch the test tube to my arm, it feels very, very warm. The third reaction, I have some deionized water in this test tube, in this beaker. And I'm going to add a piece of calcium metal to the beaker. And the calcium metal has a white color. So the calcium metal has a white color. Of course, deionized water is a clear, colorless solution, clear, colorless liquid. And so when I add the calcium metal to the water, I don't note very much happening. There's no change in the temperature of the beaker, and therefore of the water. The calcium metal does not dissolve completely. So on initial contact with the water, the calcium metal does not dissolve completely. We're going to let it sit for a few minutes and see if we notice any change. And while we're waiting on that one, let's go back to reaction number 1. We added the copper metal to the silver nitrate. And so after sitting for several minutes, we noticed that the copper metal is no longer a brown orange color, but is now a very dark color, a dark gray, almost black color. And then also notice the color of the silver nitrate solution was a very off-white to gray looking color initially. And it's now more of a deeper gray color than it was initially. It was more of an off-white to light gray initially. Now it has more of a medium gray or darker gray color. And then the copper metal itself is no longer a brownish orange color. It's now a very dark, almost black color.